your name?
Emmy.
Emmy, that's right. Did you have lasagna for dinner?
Emmy.
Emmy. What's your name?
Emmy.
How old are you? 1. Good girl. Good. Did you go try on shoes today? Do you like new shoes? Yeah, shoes. Good. Can you say mommy?
Mama.
Say daddy. Say Max. Say Sam. Huh? Are they playing? All right, say bye-bye. Blow it. Look at the camera and blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Aw, that's nice. Are you eating apples now? Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Yeah. What else can you say? Did we read a book about dogs? Yeah, what's a doggy say? Bow wow. Bow wow. I think you like ducks. What do ducks say? Quack quack.